This is just a quick video. This is the saddle clamp from the pipe in front of our house. We've been having water problems and they didn't believe us. So finally they came out and started replacing it. I asked the guy what's wrong and he said rust. Can you see that? Let me see how close I can get. Yeah, this is why we were losing water pressure, as you said. Rust was growing across the tap. So there's the tap. And it looks like, come on, focus. There we go. It looks like there was a slight leak or something, and it allowed corrosion to start happening inside. Okay, well that was it. In case you have low water pressure in your house, this can be one of the many causes for it. Okay, well, hope you found that useful and interesting in your home projects.